JustZay here, back down to pickup. Today we got a super duper special unboxing. May not seem super duper special just because of the way the box looks, but trust me, what's inside is way more important than what's on the outside. Today's pair of shoes coming straight from Nike. These are of course none other than the Nike Vomero Premium. And I'm telling you guys, these things were super duper hard to get your hands on. Probably harder than protecting this box. These were delivered inside of a bag instead of being double box. It is what it is. I mean, you know. But like I said, these things were so hard to get. I think maybe about 3 or 4 different sites I actually was able to get through, and then they ended up emailing me backwards, or emailing me back telling me, hey, we're sorry, we gotta refund you. So finally was able to get a hand of these, and I'm super duper excited.
All right, so after taxes, you are looking at $253.74. At least that's what I paid for my pair. And I promise you, if you are able to drop that large amount on a pair of shoes like this, you will not be disappointed. At least as far as comfort goes. As far as quality, you do get the nice big AirPods. Looking at these closely, I thought this would be orange all the way around, but it looks kind of like it's like airbrush right here and it's airbrush right here. It's not a knock against the shoe, but just seeing it in person, it's kind of threw me for a loop. But this particular pair of shoes is going to be labeled in the colorway of a sail, a coconut milk, and then a black. And honestly, man, that's exactly what I would call these. Although I would have gave the orange a name, it did not. But it's all about how it feels, and these things feel amazing.
All right, so first things first, I want to know just exactly how much does this bad boy weigh. So I'm thinking we're right around the 300 grams, maybe 400. No, right around 300. I don't think we're hitting 400 because it is still pretty lightweight, but it is such a thick product. So we're looking at scale on real quick. 373. Not that bad, not too heavy. Right around the same range as the AE2s we just did a review on. But this shoe right here, what you're going to get is, of course, double air zoom units throughout the shoe. You can see that on this side, you can see that on this side, and you can see that on this side as well. These things are massive and extremely responsive. Now, the thing I love most about this shoe is that it's not only a lot of cushion, but it's also breathable. You have upper mesh right here, which is lightweight and soft, and then
Dad, can Marley and Bluey come in?
you want to bring Bluey in here?
Yeah.
You guys got to sit quietly, okay?
Okay,
All right,
can
go get
Marley and Bluey come in and play though and join our friends?
Yeah, but you guys got to come and sit quietly, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, get them. Go ahead. So, sorry about that. And then on the back, you're going to get the cushion, not the cushion, you're going to get some reinforcement right here. You're going to get what's called a TPU cage right here. Let me see if you guys can. So that's going to help keep your foot right where it needs to be. And then right here is the lightweight mesh. You're going to have the...
Dad, I can't reach Marley.
All right, just wait till Daddy come. Have a seat. Daddy be there in just a little while, okay?
Okay.
Just have a seat. Okay, so you're going to have the Air branding right here with Nike branding. You're going to have the Nike branding right here. And then on the back, you're going to get what it says, not approved by World Athletics. So Nike branding right here as well. And you flip this thing over. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great amount of traction. I love this. All right, so real quick, I got to show you guys the inside of the soles. It's nothing too crazy. Just a, you know, nothing crazy. Just a little smooth feeling right here. I kind of was hoping you'd see the air zoom, but you can't. But if you look closely, you see what I was talking about. But it looks like it's painted on just a little bit, kind of airbrush. But it's okay. I mean, I low-key, I do feel a little bit finessed, but these are running shoes, and when you're in motion, nobody's gonna notice. So, can you put these things on with no hands? Yep, you're gonna pre-lace the way I do. These are a size 10. I have my true size, so I wasn't able to get a 10.5, but I'm comfortable with these. As far as height boost, you only get about 2 inches with these, a little bit, maybe about 2.5. Very, very comfortable shoe. You can slip these on, no problem, and you can slip these things off. And for comparison, the Vomero 18s put you at right about the same amount. So overall, man, it was a good buy. Yeah, Shy. Do that.
Warriors, warriors, warriors.